What's going on YouTube and cryptocurrency family? My name is Harry and I am the Crypto Vet. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. Congrats to Sam Man and Mad Have. Both responded, both got their 150 free XRP. And Ryan M95 in the Discord. He's working on getting himself an XRP wallet. The only person I have not heard from yet is SG. So SG, if you are out there, please let me know. I'd hate to give away this XRP to somebody else, especially when this shit's gonna be worth a lot of money in the future. So let me know. Just send me a private message in the Discord. To make sure you guys are still coming in. That's the point of the giveaways, is to keep you interested in the space and also help you out if you don't have any money to invest in it right now. It's not much. I don't remember what that was. 150 is like 40, 45 bucks. But that may be a lot to you, and I'm so happy that I can give that away. So, please like, subscribe, keep commenting on the videos so I can spread the word to more people. The more people I can spread the word to, the more giveaways I can do. As a lot of you on the Discord know, I do have a lot of crypto, especially XRP, and I do not mind sharing it, especially if that means that you will go tell other people that, investing in this could change their life, but the biggest thing is you got to do this stuff smart. A lot of you guys like to talk to me about different leverage trades and things like that, and that is something I do enjoy doing, but you can get your ass wrecked so fast. So please do it smart, and join a Discord community. It doesn't have to be mine. There's so many other good ones out there. One of the people that I watch, Crypto Jebb. This guy's like 10 years younger than me, and he's so damn good at what he does. Watch all these other people. I've promoted him in the channel since day one because I bought his course as a refresher just to see what he had to say, because I like supporting the space, and I also like hearing other people's perspectives. Reading just a little bit extra might be that one thing that clicks in your head that makes you a better trader. So not just for me, but you take everybody all together. So let's go ahead and get started. And if we head over here, we're going to go ahead and start. That was a cool article, by the way. We're going to go ahead and get started on CoinMarketCap. We can see that Bitcoin was almost to 12K about an hour ago, kind of dropped back down. We'll see if we can hold strong there. XRP recovered from its funk. It's currently trading up above the 30-cent mark. I hope we can hold that as support. And we can see that the market's a little bit mixed, but there's no real big losses or big gainers. Let's see. Nope. We have Synthetics Network, 20%. And we also have Ox and Waves going up. So lots of good things, lots of news that came out today, as well as just more adoption into the cryptocurrency space. So let's go ahead and head over to Bitcoin. This was the chart that I had posted in the Discord and on the Twitters. And I just said that we could potentially be forming this little Elliott wave formation. There's lots and lots of rules if you read into what is an Elliott wave. And I pulled the original, what do you call it? The hell are these things called? The original article that I had in the Discord, so that way you guys could look at it. But basically, when I see like an Elliott wave, you can do it all the way down to the T, where, wave A cannot surpass wave B as long as wave C doesn't throw a stick at wave E, or whatever you want to call it. But you're starting to see this development. We're going up, we're creating a high or touching a support or resistance, we're coming down. We're following that pattern within another pattern. Well, when we see these two patterns together and we have a continuation pattern of a ascending triangle, they typically break out. Now we have another pattern that could potentially be forming that is showing a bullish push to the upside. So I just put these patterns together just to kind of give you an idea. Whenever we have this pattern in the opposite direction, where it's coming from the bottom, we would come up and we would be coming to test the bottom support, and typically we would break down. So just to show you that we are in this somewhat pattern. Every time in past history of Bitcoin, we test a flat top of support, especially in this continuation pattern, we usually break to the upside. The measured move of this going on up is going to put us almost to the $15,000 mark, somewhere roughly around the $14,500 to $14,750 is where I would guess. But we could let's shrink everything down, and let's just see. We took our little measure tool. Let's go to the top of the wick, to the bottom. So far we already have a 24% move. So let's let's say we did break out. Oh my gosh, select the damn thing. Let's say we did break out. Yeah, it's putting us almost to $15,000. So, you know, if you were going to set a long trade, you know, you could do a nice little risk reward ratio. Let's find that tool. It's in this bad boy somewhere. Let's say you're going to long this. Say you bought in right now. Well, you know, like, where would you put your stop loss? Well, I would say a stop loss would be anywhere that's going to be a little bit below the moving average here, so that way, you know, you don't get wicked out while we figure it out. So let's just say somewhere in this area, it's 11.2. I say anywhere below 11.3. That's actually where I had my trade at, and I actually did okay. I'll show you those trades here in a minute. And, you know, they were going to go up to that. Let's say we just go to 14.5, right? You're looking at risk ratio of 3.72. You know, so this would be a very, very, you know, likelihood trade based off of the setup that we see in the market. Now, do you want to risk that right now with all the FUD and, you know, all this fear, uncertainty, and doubt? You know, that's completely up to you. But, you know, this is a very, very safe setup, in my opinion, unless Bitcoin went to shit, which that is what stop losses are for, right? So, you know, you could lose 25% of your investment, but you wouldn't get liquidated if you were smart, right? Especially with the CME gap and all that shit down there floating around the 9,600 to 98 or 9,900-ish range. So just an idea. For right now, I'm just holding on what I got. I do have a couple long positions, but, you know, it's kind of whatever. I'm playing with less than, I think, 0.1 Bitcoin. Well, no, I'm playing with a total of 0.2 Bitcoin because I have two Bybit accounts. Or, sorry, one Bybit account and one Dudex account. So that's kind of what I see from here on out. I'd like to see a candle close above 12.1. If it's above 12.1, that's just going to the races. So there's a little bit of a Bitcoin update for you. If we go to Ethereum, let's go ahead and take away some of our original. Get the Bollinger Bands off. We don't need to see those. I'm going to extend this line. Sorry. Back to where it was. And just kind of show you that we originally thought that we were going to have some kind of action in this triangle here. We did. We kind of went above it, but then we broke below it, went below our moving average, and then we found support above the moving average, and then we went and bopped up, right? And now we're currently trading at 441.19, and you can see that we're just kind of floating in this area right here trying to decide. The reason I extended this line previously was we had this ascending channel that went into a symmetrical triangle. We were expecting a break to the upside, which we did. We went down a little, got support right around right here, 365-ish, and then found our way back up, and then we had a nice little pump. And I went over in my video earlier this morning during the giveaway that, you know, there's the potential that Ethereum may be getting and establishing its own dominance compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is dropping almost below 60. Some charts have it at 59, but on TradingView it's at like 61.6. If we were to push up, that market cap's easily going to make it go back up a little bit, right? So I see that with this line I extended from the bottom, that right now Ethereum is finding a little bit of support there. So for just the people wanting to do like a short trade, you know, you could put an entry point on a short anywhere in this little line here if we were to potentially go below it. But remember, this moving average is really close, so you're not talking about a big window here of actually making profits on these trades. And remember, their trading accounts, the exchanges, they take fees. So you may be in profit, you may be in green at the bottom when you come down here, but you close it out at market and you still owe 12 XRP or something, right? So just be smart on how you do your trades, understand the maker and taker fees. But I just showed you this line to see where it's to go. As far as my targets, personally, I was expecting the 445 to 450 and a sideways trading around there, but a pump to around, I think it was about 565 is what is kind of what the fib retracement and a lot of others were saying. I didn't really see those numbers just yet. I was expecting a nice whole resistance line at 500 even. So if we can hold steady at around 450, then I think we'll pump to 480ish, then to 500, trade sideways in this area, and then if we can hold that, go up. But again, it's going to depend a lot on Bitcoin right now. People don't know what to do, so we'll just have to see. And then for my little buddy XRP, I entered my trade right down here, probably, yeah, it was like 29.06, and it was after we came up and we had this wick down here. I had a limit order to see if it would get met. It did get met, and now we are currently up here. So this trade has been very good and successful. Not every trade will be. As you can see in my Discord, my last two were not, but my stop losses kept me from losing big money. We were in this descending channel here, and if we zoom out, we were in this flag formation here, and now we had a little breakout to the top of this channel, and now we're in this almost little ascending channel flag formation. Right now in the 4 hourly, I'd like to see a nice green, red, green. You know, we almost had a bearish engulfing candle here, but we had a nice pickup, so I would like to see this by the end close above this wick for me to remain bullish. If we don't do that, I may just increase my stop loss on the trade to somewhere around 30 cents to hopefully just if it does go down and break down, because this is XRP, I can at least keep, you know, several hundred XRP in profits, because this is what I'm using as my giveaways to you guys. So the more successful I am, the more money I can give away to you guys. If I lose it all, I'll still do the giveaways. Don't worry, guys. It's just that if I'm successful, there's more money to give away. So that's what I'm expecting here, where we have to overcome the 32 cent mark, and then 34 is our big resistance from in the past. After that, it's going to probably be a big jump to 44 and 50 cents. Really fast, in my opinion. And then last but not least, found this cool article on Crypto Potato. It says Walmart adopts crypto. Shoppers can now earn crypto back. Is that not cool as shit or what? StormX, the blockchain-based rewards platform that helps users earn crypto, has scored a significant coup. I'd say so. Anybody going to bed with Walmart's going to make some money. Okay, this is like, you know, if you get a date with Amazon, you know, you're good. You marry Bezos and divorce his ass, you'll be the richest woman in the world. Already happened. So, having already sealed deals with likes of Microsoft, Nike, Adidas, eBay, Target. Anybody heard of these people? Yeah, so crypto's gonna happen. It's just when, right? So StormX is taking things up a notch by enabling 4% crypto back on all Walmart purchases, and then they're up to 14%. It's better than any of my like really good credit cards. My American Express doesn't have shit like that, right? So, you know, I actually get better rewards on my little crypto.com card. You know, the one with the stupid $50 referral link I was telling you guys about that's in the description. I mean, that card, the crypto card, and this, way better than American Express, right? And I got to pay that bitch off every month. What's the point of having the credit card if I can't even run that balance? You know, but whatever. So this is just a really cool article. It's a quick read. It's just showing how this is going to be mainstream soon, and everything that you know about money and all that is going to change. The Feds keeps going burr with that printer, so you know, with the new stimulus checks coming out, which just got my first one, so bam, you know, the government's really showing me how awesome they are, guys. Finally got my first stimulus check, but that's going to do it for today, guys. Please like and subscribe. You know, please check out the links below. Don't do them for me, only if you need them. I don't need the referral money. Don't care. If you're looking to learn more TA and stuff like that, Crypto Jebb and Tyler S down below have some courses that are, priced accordingly for the content that you get. Both of them know a lot about TA, at least as much as me, if not way more. And they have a nice structured course. So, you know, I'm actually going to email Crypto Jebb and see if about donating a course or two, so that way he can give more away on his channel, because he has a much bigger following. He's got, 50,000+ subscribers. Like, that's fucking awesome. So I'm gonna email him and see if he'll allow me to give away. I don't need a shout out, don't care about that, but at least the goal of myself being able to give away some more to the space will be achieved, and supporting him, because like I said, I think he's got a good head on his shoulders. Kid's 19. Smart as shit, right? I'm 29, so we'll see where it goes. Thank you guys again. I'm gonna hit you guys up tomorrow. See ya.